everyone, this is Tirthraj Mukharjee, and in today's video I will be explaining a fundamental and crucial concept in database management systems, which is inner join. So let's begin. We all like to watch cinemas, right? On paid subscription platforms, on TV, on site cinema halls, and on various media players. And we also have shopped online on Amazon or Flipkart or Big Basket, etc. Anything you say. These are household names. I am taking these examples to illustrate the concept of inner join to you in such a way that you can relate to in your real life. And this is the way things work. Let me show you an example. I have a movie table with the movie titles, IDs and the release years, the ratings of all those movies corresponding to these IDs, and I want a movie ratings table with the ID, movie title, release year and IMDb ratings inside the same place. You might be thinking that this table doesn't have the rating column and this table doesn't have the movie title or the release year column. So do I have to combine them in any fashion? Yes, you are right. We have to combine them, and this is where inner join comes into picture. Let me illustrate the first record for you. The first record, Singham Returns, released in 2014 with ID 1. Its rating would be corresponding to the rating 1 in the table rating, it would be 5.7. So the consolidated record would be 1 Singham Returns 2014 5.7. One more example. If the movie is D-Day, released in 2013 with ID 3, its rating corresponding to ID 3 in the movie table, that is in the rating table also ID 3, which matches, is 7.2. So the consolidated record would be this. Alright, let's proceed to another example. We have a customer table with customer ID, first and last names and their order IDs of the products purchased, a product table with order ID, the products and the corresponding categories, and I want a customer products table which is a consolidated table containing the order IDs, the first and last names and the product beside. This time also inner join comes into picture like the previous example. Let me illustrate. First record says the customer name is Tirtharaj with the customer ID 11 with the order ID 312 and her product would be corresponding to this arrow Unreal U 6i, the electronics category. So the consolidated record would be 312 Tirtharaj Unreal U 6i. One more example. Shefali Bansal with customer ID 36 and order ID 66. Her product corresponding to this arrow in the product table would be hair conditioner in the health category. So the consolidated record would be 66 Shefali Bansal hair conditioner. Alright. One thing to keep in mind, if a number or a label is not matching between two tables, for example like 117 is not in this table anywhere, we won't get any record corresponding to 117 because our primary requirement is that both the tables should have matching labels for us to get the record. Alright. This is the concept of inner join explained to you using colorful tables. T1 contains 2 columns, 3 rows. T2 contains 2 rows and 2 columns. This symbol is the symbol of intersection, which you might have seen in your class 11 or 12 days in set theory, and this is also the symbol for inner join, and the inner joined table T3 would be this. Let's proceed to some theory. Inner join is used to display records that have matching values in both tables, as we just discussed. Usually the matching values, primary keys of the two tables, for example order ID as we just saw, roll number, batch ID, registration ID. To be briefly explained, primary keys are those values inside a table which uniquely identify a record, and that should always be non-duplicate and non-empty. With this, we have come to the end of this video. Sincerely appreciate your participation Thank you so much for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel for more such content and stay tuned for our upcoming videos.